Our PBL project is based on escalator. Introduction. Escalator is a moving staircase which carries people between floors of building or structure. It consists of motor-driven chain of individually linked steps on a track, which cycle on a pair of tracks which keep them horizontal. Escalators have the capacity to move large number of people. They can be placed in the same physical space of a stair. They have no waiting interval except during very heavy traffic. They can be used to guide people toward main exits or special exhibits. A non-functional escalator can function on normal stairs, whereas many other methods of transport become useless when they break down or lose power.
Advantages of escalator. There are many advantages of escalator model. Some of them are as follows. First, escalator helps to lift large number of people at once. Second, we don't need to wait for a long time for our turn in this machine. Third, people must not apply any effort while moving upward. Fourth, due to modern design, it is safe and silent in nature.
Objective of project. Nowadays we see elevator in many places. It is always fun to use these moving stairs. Elevator in different places like malls, train station, airports, etc. These moving stairs help us to lift up and down without applying effort.
The main components of escalator: landing platforms, truss, steps and tracks, handrail, wheel tracks and steps chain, driving and control unit. Types of escalator. Normally there are three types of escalator: parallel, multi-parallel and crisscross as design. Parallel escalator are the most common escalator and simplest one. In this type of escalator, one escalator is moving upward and next is moving downward in parallel. Multi-parallel escalator. Multi-parallel escalator is similar to parallel escalator. Only difference is multiple escalator are moving upward and downward at time. Crisscross escalator. Crisscross escalator is another type of in which two escalator move in opposite direction in one time.
Working of an escalator. The escalators generally move at the speed of 1 to 2 feet per second. The usual angle is 30 degrees from the ground. Most of the escalators have single-piece aluminum steps that move along the track by electric motors. In addition, the escalators have different configurations: parallel, multi-parallel and crisscross configuration. The moving handrails move along the escalator, providing support to passengers. You can permanently set the direction of travel. You can control it manually according to the requirement or flow of the crowd. Sometimes even you have the option of automatic control.
Disadvantages of escalator. There are few disadvantages of escalator. They are: first is there is always chance of accident, as escalator are easy and we should not apply any effort. It makes us lazy.
The conclusion. First, escalator safety is a collective stakeholder responsibility. Second, every member of these efforts is as important as part of the machine. Without one, the whole machine will not function. Third, the common enemy hazards. 4. Goal: zero accidents. Thank you.